Welcome to our tutorial on the role of mudras in yoga. In this video, we will explore the significance and benefits of mudras, and how to incorporate them into your yoga practice. Mudras are symbolic gestures that are often performed with the hands during yoga practice. They are believed to have a powerful effect on the body and mind, promoting physical and mental well-being. There are many different mudras, each with its own unique benefits. In this video, we will focus on some of the most commonly used mudras in yoga practice. One of the most popular mudras is the Gyan mudra, which is performed by touching the tip of the index finger to the tip of the thumb. This mudra is believed to enhance concentration and memory. Another commonly used mudra is the Prithvi mudra, which is performed by touching the tip of the ring finger to the tip of the thumb. This mudra is believed to promote grounding and stability. The Varun mudra is performed by touching the tip of the little finger to the tip of the thumb. This mudra is believed to promote hydration and fluid balance in the body. Now that you know some of the most commonly used mudras, let's explore how to incorporate them into your yoga practice. To practice a mudra, simply sit in a comfortable position and bring your hands into the desired mudra. Hold the mudra for several minutes while focusing on your breath and intention.